Mix coffee with cornstarch, dessert like that you've never seen. In a saucepan, add 500 ml of milk, 100 grams of sugar, and mix until the sugar dissolves completely. In another container, add 2 tablespoons of soluble coffee, 50 ml of hot water, and stir until the coffee dissolves completely. Then pour the coffee into the milk. In another container, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 50 ml of water, and mix until the cornstarch dissolves completely. Pour in milk with coffee. And mix over low heat until it begins to thicken. That's the ideal point. Now just let it cool down. You can choose the container of your choice and just add broken winner biscuit at the bottom of the containers. As soon as you add the biscuit, just add the milk with coffee. Refrigerate until it hardens. Meanwhile, in another container, add 2 tablespoons of soluble coffee, 2 tablespoons of hot water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and with the help of a mixer, beat until a creamy coffee. With the cream now ready hardened, just add the creamy coffee on top. Once that's done, our dessert is ready. If you prefer, just take it to the fridge for a while longer. But that's great. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.